Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. Today let me show you how to make this amazing shortbread cookie. It's rolled in pistachios, and the dough I added a little bit of almond flour to it. It's not too sweet, it's not a cookie that spreads in the oven, and it's so festive. Let's get started. You're gonna need 1 cup of room temperature unsalted butter. You're gonna add it to a bowl. I mix a little bit, and then I'm gonna add 1 cup of powdered sugar. The powdered sugar will add a delicate flavor to the cookie. And this is a very easy cookie to make. It only requires few steps. And it's always good to scrape the bowl every now and then for everything to be mixed nicely. Add a touch of vanilla and you're ready to add the flour. And the flour is a mix of almond flour and all-purpose flour. 385 grams of the mix of the two flours, and you'll find the amounts and ingredients in the description box like always. And this cookie doesn't require any baking soda or baking powder, but I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch just to make sure the shape stays the same, and a little touch of salt. And the cookie dough is basically ready. All I have to do is roll it and refrigerate it for the next step. And between 2 sheets of parchment paper, I try to smooth the dough as much as possible, just like you're gonna see right now. It's very important to roll the dough as even as possible. And I will place in the fridge just while I work on the pistachios. And it's very important that the pistachios are bright green to give our cookie a great color and taste. I add 1.5 to 2 cups of pistachios to the food processor, and I process until it becomes like a paste texture. And a little bit more, and you can scrape the edges. The finer, the better. I set it aside and I take the dough out of the fridge. With clean hands, I'm gonna spread an even layer of the pistachios and press it into the cookie dough nicely. Start rolling the dough, and it's okay if it breaks here and there, you can patch it up. You're gonna try to create that pinwheel look as much as you can. After rolling the whole thing, you're gonna place in the fridge for half an hour for easy handling. And this is what it's gonna look like after refrigerating. And it's ready for me to cut it into slices. I preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I bake the cookies for 15 to 20 minutes or until the bottom of the cookies become a little colored. And this is a great cookie for any time of the year, but especially for the holidays. You can roll it in some sparkling sugar, red sparkling sugar, and the cookie will be so festive and so good looking. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my new recipes. And follow me on social media. The links are gonna be in the description box below. The cookies are out of the oven. They smell amazing. Can't wait for them to cool a little bit so that I can give them a try. Try them and let me know what you think. And until next time, bon appétit!